If someone has the symptoms, Tamiflu is not going to help, I'm assuming.
We don't have data that
we
says
don't,
it does,
that wouldn't believe that that would help. Is it take some Mucinex and some Tylenol and try to reduce your fever? I mean, what do you tell somebody to do?
You treat the symptoms. I
Okay.
mean, exactly. You know, this is the usual suspects.
The cold and flu medicines,
yeah,
basically.
You treat the symptoms, make sure you stay hydrated, but you bring up a really important point, because I hope this is a wake-up call for people with chronic conditions, because the difference between living and dying is not, do I have a diagnosis of type 2 diabetes? It's, am I managing my type 2 diabetes well? Am I taking my medications? Am I eating appropriately? Am I getting enough sleep at night, drinking enough water? That matters, and that may be a life or death decision. So I'm hoping as people here, if you've got a chronic condition, you're at high risk, they think, whoa, I need to take better care of my chronic condition. So step one is, whatever else you have going on, make sure you manage it well. Then two is you treat it symptomatically. And then three is, if you start to have increased shortness of breath, or you start to not be able to keep fluids down, or you're having high fevers, you reach out and communicate, make sure you do get the exact test, and then we get you into the proper care. So, you know, it's kind of stop, drop, and roll, right? Stop, okay. Take care of yourself, and if things start to get bad, reach out and then go get 16% of people from the best numbers we have are going to need to get a more intense level of care.
We used to use the term prudent person. A prudent person would make this decision. I mean, it sounds like your advice is to how to deal with if you think you might be, whether it's a cold, the flu, allergies, or even COVID-19. A prudent person would say, make good decisions, take care of yourself, treat the symptoms, seek care when it gets.
Yeah, stay away from other people. Make sure that you self-quarantine because you're very infectious and it could be fatal to someone you care about. And you know, give it a moment to go through and get resolved.